Meet the tiniest yet fastest bird in the world, the hummingbird. These incredible creatures are masters of flight, capable of flying backward, hovering mid-air, and reaching astonishing speeds. Hummingbirds drink nectar every 10 minutes, feeding from up to 1,500 flowers daily. Hummingbirds can fly backward, sideways, and hover in place. Their hearts beat up to 1,200 times per minute. Despite their tiny size, they migrate thousands of kilometers. They weigh only 220 grams. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel to learn a lot of interesting things.